Hello everyone, thank you for joining again. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to teach you how to use modulo operators in Python. Modulo operators gives us the remainder of two numbers being divided. First, what we want to do is open up a text editor. I'm going to be using Kate today, and I've already created a file called modulo.py. I have my terminal on the bottom here and the text file here. In order to use a modulo operator in Python, you need to use the percentage symbol. Let's start off with creating our main function. We'll say if underscore underscore name underscore underscore double equals open quotations underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Add a colon at the end and hit enter. Now we can say print open and close parentheses. In those parentheses, let's say 1% 2. It's going to determine if 1 is divisible by 2. Let's save this and let's run this program by typing Python and then the name of our file. As you can see, we have a 1. What if we change this 1 up here in the print statement to 2? Let's save this and let's rerun the program. As you can see here, it shows 0. So now if we said 12, let's save this. This should also say 0 again. It is showing 0 because there is no remainder when you divide 12 by 2. Now we have determined whether a number is even. What if we wanted to see if a number was odd? Well, we can do that with a conditional statement. Let's go ahead and clear this print statement. Let's create a variable that will contain a number that we're going to compare whether it's even or odd. So we'll say num is equal to, we'll give it 13. Hit enter a few times. And now let's create our conditional statement by saying if, open and close parentheses, num %2 double equals 0. So what is this conditional statement saying? Well, it's saying get our variable num, which in this case is 13, divide that number, 13 divided by 2, and get the remainder, and compare that remainder whether it is 0 or 1. If it is 0, then we know that the number is even. If it is 1, then the number is odd. So let's go ahead and add a print statement here and say print the number, open and close brackets, is even. And let's go outside of our quotations and put dot format, open and close parentheses, num. Now let's add an else statement so we can determine whether the number is odd. So let's hit enter and say else, add a colon, and then add the same thing, but instead of even, let's say odd. Let's save this. And let's run this program by typing Python and then the name of our file. As you can see, it says the number 13 is odd. Let's change this number to 26. Let's save this and then rerun the program. As you can see, it says the number 26 is even. We can also use modulo operations to convert military time to 12-hour time. Let me show you how to do that now. Let's delete everything here and say print, open and close parentheses, we'll give it 21%, and then we know that it's going to be divisible by 12. And let's save this, and then it should give us the 12-hour time. So 2100 hours, which is equivalent to 9 p.m., so we should see 9 as the remainder. So let's go ahead and save this, and then let's rerun the program. As you can see, we have 9 o'clock. So this is the way you can use modulo operations to convert military time to 12-hour time. I hope you found this useful in understanding how to use modulo operations in Python. Thank you all for watching. I invite you to subscribe and I hope to see you next time.